Will they come to your seat, please?
Okay, good morning, 7th graders. Today we're going to do a math lesson, and it's going to be a little different than normal. This is a cooperative learning lesson, so you're going to be working in groups and pairs. So I want you guys to all listen and participate. So we're going to start by going through a few rules. So I want you guys to pay attention and listen to directions. There's kind of a lot of directions, so you guys need to listen carefully. And stay on like this side of the classroom, especially when we're doing the group work. You're gonna all be staying like at the tables. Don't like go to those desks. So you guys over there are gonna have to move, but you guys can wait 2 seconds, okay? And then don't complain about your groups or your pairings, because you guys were paired like that for a reason. I took a lot of time to pair you guys with someone, and I don't want you guys to complain about it. And how would you feel if someone was like, oh, I don't want to be with you? So just be respectful. You're going to work with only your assigned partner and group. I don't want you guys talking to other people that you're not like assigned to work with unless you're told to do so. And then we're going to be talking, and if it gets loud in here or when that section's done, I'm going to turn off the lights, and that's a cue for you guys to just look up at me and stop talking. Even if you're in the middle of something, just look up at me, okay? So can someone just repeat some of the rules I just said? Jeremiah.
We turn on the lights, look at you.
Thank you.
When you talk to people who have to listen.
Good, thank you, Ayana.
When you're assigned to your partner, don't talk to your, don't complain.
Good, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go through some ways to work with a partner. I know you guys don't do a lot of like one-on-one partner work, so I'm just gonna go over a few ways. Can I erase this?
Absolutely. I'm actually going to erase the other mess on
Okay.
right here.
Okay. So the first one is active listening. We're gonna make a little T-chart just so you guys can work on this. Who wants to tell me what active listening should look like and sound like? Active listening. Which one? Sound like or look like? Look like? What's it look like? It looks constructive. Good. You look like you're doing work, right? You're not looking around, you're looking at the person that you're listening to, right? Okay, who has another one? Adrian. Look like or sound like?
Sound like?
What's it sound like? Active listening. If you're actively listening to your partner, what should you be doing?
Quiet.
You're quiet. What's another one? Ayana?
Sound like looking at your partner.
Good. No, that's look like. But good, yes. Looking at your partner. Anyone else have another one? Anyone else? Anyone else? These two already gave one. Jeremiah? So yeah, quiet. We have that. Quiet. Ayana, do you have another one? No? Okay, another one. Ms. Hernandez?
Nodding or maybe shaking your head to show that you are paying attention.
So it looks like. Pay attention. Body language. Okay, another one I had written down was don't interrupt. If they're like trying to explain something, just don't interrupt them. Let them finish their thoughts. Anyone else have another one? Misty?
I don't know if you had this before because I see you looking at partner.
Yes.
Okay. And doing eye contact is a huge way to show that you're paying attention.
Yeah, eye contact. Look at your partner. Make sure they know you're paying attention to them. Okay. something, don't get frustrated with them. Nicely explain it to them, try to help them out, lead them to the answer, but don't just give them the answer. I'm pretty sure you guys will all understand this. You guys have been doing really well in math lately, so I think that you guys will get it. And then, if you think your partner is wrong, disagree in an agreeable manner. Don't be like, you're wrong. Just like nicely say, like, I think that we should do this instead, okay? Be respectful. Okay. Who wants to repeat those 3 rules I just said? The 3 working with partner rules. Ayana?
If they think your partner is wrong, you say, if you disagree with them, saying
Disagree agreeably.
I forgot the word. Disagree manner.
Yes, perfect. What's this one?
Listening.
Active listening. One more. Ms. Hernandez.
Don't give away the answer, lead them to the answer.
Perfect. Good work, guys. Okay, now we're going to get on to a warm-up. This is just kind of some review that you guys have been doing these past few weeks. And all this stuff that is in this warm-up real fast is going to be an activity that we're going to be doing today, okay? So can you guys get out some paper because you're going to need to write some of this stuff down. Get out your notebook. Okay, the first 2 are up, so once you have your paper out, you can start these 2.
What did I say about my feet?
You can This is by yourself right now. Warm-ups are by yourself. You're going to turn in 1 sheet of paper from your whole work today. So you're going to turn this in.
I swear they're being awesome too.
Okay. I know we went over this on Monday. Miss Steve brought it up. Ayana, what does that mean? Square root. This little thing, it kind of looks like a division sign, but that means square root. We did a few of those the other day. So it means what times itself gives you this number. Do you want to do an example real fast?
No.
No? Do you want to wait till the warm-up? What times itself gives you this number? It's the opposite of square root. Okay, we're going to walk around and see. And if you have the right answer, I might ask you to go up and do it on the board, okay?
Is it 8?
Do it on your paper. Don't scream out.
Miss,
Question?
is that a negative 12 or is that a subtraction sign?
It kind of means the same, remember? The problem does read though, -5 minus 12.
Wait, ain't this?
Crystal, you want to write this down? Well, we're going to have to turn it in. Are you going to participate in the lesson today?
How long do we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Khadijah, you two are going to write this down? Thanks guys for writing this down. Good work.
What did I write down?
On a piece of paper. Do you need a piece of paper? You're going to have to turn it in. Like I said, you are turning this in, so you might as well write your name at the top of your paper right now. Okay, Adrian's doing 3. Captain's doing number 2.
Are you doing number 3, Mom?
Same number times itself gives you this number. Yep. Okay, thank you. Jasmine, you can do number 4.
How you doing?
So I think we need to do number 1. Who wants to do number 1? Go ahead, you can do number 1. Remember, if you're doing it on the board, you're going to also have to explain it to the class. Okay, Adrian, you can sit down. Who said they were doing number 1? Adrian, please sit. Your problem's done. But you are going to have to come back up here to explain it. Good job, Justin. Good job. Perfect. Okay. Want to explain number 1 while you're up here?
Ooh, I did not know that was like.
Okay, number 1. Who did number 1? Want to come up here and explain it? Or you want to explain it from your seat? Okay, perfect. Number 1 reads, -5 minus 12 equals, and she said -17. Thumbs up if you agree with that. That's also the answer you got. Put your thumb up. Good, I see lots of thumbs up. How'd you do that?
Wait, I have to change the that included and I have to change the body.
So you add these two numbers together, but since the, why did you say it was negative? So you added these two together, you got 17, but why is it negative? Because they're both negative? Perfect. Okay, who did number 2? You, want to explain it? How'd you do it? You counted and you got 28? So did we learn also how to do this? Another way how to do this? That the answer is right. How do you do it? Inverse operation, which is what for here? -7. Those cancel out, right?
Yeah.
And then -7. So 35 minus 7, you get R equals 28. So good job. Yeah, you got the right answer. Okay, Adrian, to number 3. Square root of